Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Technowithshiv. Today I am going to showing you how we can download our studio and our software and full installation process step by step. First of all, I am opening a Google. Simple type here or studio and then enter the button, and here we can see first is download the Rstudio, and I am going to click on that, and it's opening, and here we can see Rstudio interface, and here we can see Rstudio desktop open source license for free, and second is Rstudio desktop pro for commercial license, and Rstudio server open source license, Rstudio workbench, it is also commercial license, and there are a lot of versions are available for users like student, professional. Some are mm, available free or some are not free. So if you are a student, then download a free version. So I am going to click on that, and here Rstudio desktop. Uh, Download Rstudio for Windows because my operating system is Windows. So I am click on the Windows, and it's going to downloading. It's going to downloading, and for Rsoftware, I am going to simple type here or software, and click here. We can see R4.12 for Windows, 32-bit or 64-bit. So I am going to click on that, and first of all we can see here download R, and click on that. So it is also going to downloading. Here I pause the downloading file because I have downloaded yesterday. So I can showing you here. I have downloaded Rstudio and Rsoftware. So first of all, I am going to installation process of Rstudio. So I am click on that. It's opening and it's saying, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes, and it is going to opening, and it's saying welcome to Rstudio. Setup will guide you through the installation of Rstudio, and click next to continue. So I will continue, and here we can see destination folder. See program files Rstudio. It is changeable. It's on depend you. I keep that folder. So I am click next to continue, and here do not create shortcut. It's saying do not create shortcut. It is also depend on you, and I am click to install button, and it is installing. It's taking sometimes like 5 to 10 minutes to installing process of Rstudio. So guys, watch this video till end because it will be very helpful for your Rstudio download and installing process. It is very helpful. So please keep continue and watch this video till end. Please wait while Rstudio is being installed. So I am waiting, and we can see here all files are completing our studio setup. So our studio has been installed on your computer. Please click finish to close setup. So I will finish and go to desktop, and we can see here our studio is successfully installed. And the next is our software. So I'm going to click on that, and it is also saying a message. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. Or for Windows 4.121 setup. So yes, I am clicking yes button, and it's saying also select the language to use during the installation. Keep English and continue. Okay. And here some term and condition are here. So it is read the following important information before continue. It will be helpful or not. It's on your depend, and go to next and select destination location. It is also depend on you. I and already exist. Yes, 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 yes. Please specify yes or no, then click next. First is just customize startup. Second is no accept defaulted. Then I am click no and go to next. And don't create a start menu folder. Click next. Here, select the additional task you would like set up to perform while installing R for Windows 4.1.2. Then click next. Select additional task. Which additional task should we perform? First additional shortcut is create a shortcut. Then click OK and create a quick launch shortcut. It's depend on you. I click next button, and we can see here our software is also installing. It will be take a few minutes or second. Continue and watch this video till end. How we can installing our software. It will be very helpful for you. So keep continue watch this video, and we can see here how fast installing our software. And we can see, please wait while setup installs are for Windows 4.121 on your computer. It is installing now, and we can see here complete the R for Windows 4.1.2 setup wizard, and it is saying setup has finished installing R for Windows 4.1.2 on your computer. The application may be launched by selecting the installed shortcut. Click finish to exit setup. So I am clicking on that and go to my desktop. Here we can see our studio is also installed and our software is also installed. Then my both software are successfully installed and download and install. So please you can see here, and I am opening our studio. Find any mistake or not, it is opening or not, it is working or not. So I am click on that R Studio, and we can see here it is working. So we can see here it is working successfully, and then I have opening R software. It is also working nicely. Then it is our step by step fully installation process and downloaded process of R Studio and R software. So please like my videos and subscribe my YouTube channel for latest update related to data science, MCA, M.TECH, B.TECH, and R Studio. So keep continue and watch my video till end. Thank you.